will be reviewing the 2002 Volkswagen Beetle. The body shape of the Beetle is the same as in years past. It's good for long rides on the highway, it's a smooth ride, and it fills up for just under $40. These cars come with 3 different engine options, 1.8, 1.9, and 2.0 liter, like this model. It has 150 horsepower, and it takes regular gas. This car is very basic with cloth seats. They're nice for Michigan weather because they don't get too hot in the summer and don't get too cold in the winter. Also, both the passenger and driver seats are adjustable. Next is the console. There's blue lights you can turn on and off manually. And next to the steering wheel is the radio with a cassette player, and under the radio is your temperature controls. Now, under the temperature controls is the cup holders, which are a little inconvenient because you can't fit anything bigger than a water bottle in them. Next we have the vase, which is a popular thing in the Beetle. So you can put any kind of flowers you want, so you can personalize your car. And also up above the rear view mirror is the clock, which is also a little inconvenient because you have to look off the road to see it. Back seats of the car are very accessible with the lever on both the passenger and driver seat. And you can climb in. Now, the seats back here are a little tight. You can only fit 2 people. The roof is quite low, so if you're tall, it could be quite uncomfortable. And it has 2 seat belts. The trunk opener and the gas cap release are located on the driver's side door. Let's go check out the trunk. The trunk of this car is actually quite big for how small the car is. As you see, it opens up the back window as well. You can lift up this little plate to access more in the trunk. You can fit a couple of bags back here, just enough for short trips, nothing too crazy.